It's absolutely changed the culture in our business. It's changed the way we do our jobs.
From setting the steps, it's just like 3 times faster, I would say.
And that keeps me off my knees and allows me to screed without wearing my knee out even faster than I already should.
The $1,100, $1,200, $1,300 tool, if it saves you 3 hours, it could easily pay for itself in 1 to 2 jobs.
You know, your equipment's always going to save your body.
We can get the same amount of work done with less employees. My employees have been with me for 9 years now.
They have been sticking around because I buy the stuff that makes their life easier.
Before you used Pave Tool products, what was your biggest struggle on the job site for you?
I would say efficiency, doing granite steps. We always did like straps, you know, either straps or tow ropes underneath them, lifting them up, having to move them every time.
Being down on your hands and knees and trying to screed off of your rails. And it's just miserable being on your hands and knees, especially on open grade stuff. You know, you get the chip up onto your knee pads, it was miserable. So
I've had my knee repaired, it's actually blown out again. And then having to kneel on chipstone to finish out the screed, or even kneeling on my base.
My knees, my back and my knees. You know, I'm a bigger guy, so bending over all day laying pavers, especially the bigger slabs nowadays, really taxing. You know, you get real tired at the end of the day. Your wrists, your shoulders, your back, your knees.
A lot of inefficiencies on the job sites, guys having back pains and issues with, you know, just setting pavers, getting everything set correctly. Tools breaking and just not good quality.
It's funny because when I started, I had actually bought your tools from the start, so I don't really have the hardships that a lot of companies went through. So we kind of had the vacuum, the backpack vacuum from the start. Nice. Having that and saving labor on moving pavers by hands and saving your fingers has been huge.
And one of our favorite parts of our daily work is working with our tools from Pave Tool, because we're now using tools and equipment instead of our hands and our backs.
So one of the biggest reasons I bought the eScreeder package was being able to stand to do your screeding is just a game changer.
So I've had my knee repaired, it's actually blown out again. And that keeps me off my knees and allows me to screed without wearing my knee out even faster than I already should.
We do have 3 of the different clamps for different steps. We use them anytime we're setting any kind of granite step. Those are coming out, just makes the job way easier.
Saw the online, you have the clamp. So I got the piece of equipment, and now it's a game changer. The guys will just grab it, lift in the air, put all the material underneath, place it easier, saves more money on the labor, time, and more safe for the guys.
We can get the same amount of work done with less employees. My employees have been with me for 9 years now. They get to go home at the end of the day without busted up fingers, without sore backs, because we're using tools and equipment to move these products that keep getting bigger and heavier.
Your folks' screed pack here, and hands down, it's one of the best things that we've purchased from you guys. Cuts down on fatigue with our guys, and it's just user-friendly. You don't have to bend over, you're just standing up, pulling it.
So before we owned Pave Tool products, everything was by the hands or the forks and the skid steer. And it was just a mess. You're scratching material, you're pinching guys' fingers. It was just a nightmare. We actually ended up buying the 850 clamp from you guys and helped us set a set of granite steps in 2 hours that would have taken us all day. Paid for itself in one job, so.
If someone was on the fence, John, about purchasing or using Pave Tool products, what would you have to say to them?
How do you feel at the end of the day? Lifting these heavy products with your hands, how does your back feel? How many times have you busted a fingernail off? I've done it, I think 3 times in the 30 years I've been doing this. An investment in a piece of equipment or a tool is cheaper than another person. You gotta pay that employee every hour of every day, every week. You gotta pay workers' comp insurance. And then when he hurts himself, because you're not using the clamps and the suction, you gotta pay even more. So if you could pay once for a piece of equipment to have less people, and those less people that you have are happier, and they're getting just as much done as if there were more people on the job, I mean, what would you choose? Right?
Like I said, I wouldn't ever go back to installing without it. I mean, just do it. You're that much faster. You know, your guys are going to thank you. Your back's going to thank you. Well worth the money. Well worth the money.
I would tell them buy as many as you can afford. They all save you time. I mean, as long as they fit within your area, then every single one of them is a great product. We use them all the time, and I wouldn't recommend any other company more for products like this. So
it's
kind of a no-brainer. You know, it helps you, save your back, save your body. It's easy just to set it right up onto your pallet, pick it up, and bring it wherever you need to. Versus trying to fork it on or trying to get dangerous. You know.
How much time savings would you say? If you just had to pick a number.
At least 30 minutes a step, an hour a step. Which doing a bunch of steps that builds up.
Awesome. If you're trying to set steps using like forks and bringing them in to set them, it's miserable trying to get the forks out without chipping a step.
It's going to make your time a lot faster, and it might be a little bit more expensive, but they'll definitely pay for themselves within the first job or two. They ramp up how much faster you want to do things. Like I said, you can pull the whole length of the material, you'll pull right through that material.
Just think of the back saving. You don't have to be on your knees to use this, you know what I mean? You can, that less time sitting on your knees crawling around is great, so tough to argue with that.
I would say it'll pay for itself in 1 to 2 jobs, honestly. The $1,100, $1,200, $1,300 tool, if it saves you 3 hours, how many guys do you have on that job? How many man hours are you wasting? It could easily pay for itself in 1 to 2 jobs. If you do 20 jobs a year, you'll make your profit back so fast.
I think the screener package, $350. Well, even after insurance, I spent way more than that on knee plus recovery time. It cost me money to be on my knees and have that medical issue. So to be able to help retain my body, it's going to help the longevity to be able to do this for a long time. Just things, your equipment's always going to save your body. Along with any other product, it's going to help you do your job easier.
Great company, great equipment to have it. If you are on a hardscape business, you must have those tools to bring your business to next level so you can do a better service for your customers. You of course make more money on a profit because it's going to be faster for you.
100% buy it. Whether you're installing big pavers or small pavers, it's going to make the install easier and faster. We bought what's the 2-man lift, the orange one?
The Optimus 200E.
Yeah, so we've had that for about 2 years now, and we bought it for one job. We're using the 2x3 pavers, 165 pounds a piece. We installed 1,200 square feet, me and one guy in one day. More expensive up front, obviously, but less labor and more time saving. So it's worth the investment.
In that one day, you probably paid the vacuum off right there.
100%.
That's awesome.
I would tell them hands down to buy it, and really all the stuff that you guys have, you are about saving people's backs, and I mean, at the end of the day, we're all human. And the tools show up every day. We might not from an injury, and you guys are definitely fixing that issue.
I would say go for it. I mean, for the money that it costs and the money that you save, like I said, you'll pay it in one job, and it will last forever. So.
And I'm Phil Bahler. They hired me here at Pave Tool to try to just get some of these products out on the market. You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.